Hey, this is Brett, and today I'm working up in the mountains. I wanted to quickly show or provide a quick guide on how to do some basic formatting, changing a regular blog article into something that's more evergreen. For this, I'm going to use the article that I've written to describe how to do this. This is not an evergreen article itself, but I do want to show the process. So I'm working on an article. This is in WordPress, and we're running the Divi theme on this particular site. So we have the Divi builder that's running here. For this article, we can see over here on the right, there's a Divi post settings section. And each of these 4 items, they look like they're grayed out. And this is probably the hardest part about this whole thing. Understanding that when they look grayed out, it doesn't mean that you can't do anything with them. So if I want to hide the post title for an article, I can do that. And I'm going to do that real quick. And I'm going to update my settings just to show you the result. We'll save that, and I'm going to preview it. Real quick. There's no title for this blog article at that point in time. So that's an important part of this process. The other thing that we want to do is we want to recreate that post title. We want to put it back. We just want to do it in a different way so that we'll have more specific controls over the title and everything that shows up with it, specifically the metadata. So we do want, as we add the post title module here, we do want to include the title. I'm going to show the meta information. I am going to leave my author name, but I'm going to take away the date on this particular one. And I'm going to take away the featured image. I don't like it personally when the featured image shows up at the top of the page, or at least in this case, the featured image is used elsewhere in the article as well. And so that's all I'm going to do here. I'm going to save that. When you first add those, it always adds things at the bottom. We don't want our post title at the bottom of our article. We want it at the top. So I'm going to move that up to the top, hit update to save our work in WordPress, and I'm going to view the post one more time. And now our title is back. It's got my name, it's got the category it falls in, and it does not have any date on there. And the main purpose of doing this is just a simple one. This article is intended, or when we do this, it's intended that the article not look like it's dated, like it was created 3 or 4 years ago, because some of the articles that we create last a long period of time, and the date can throw people off if they think it's outdated. So we're taking the date away to remove that perspective. I don't want to do that for all of my blog articles, because definitely not all of my blog articles will stand the test of time and last months or even years, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. So there you have it. That's how to do some real quick formatting with the Divi theme and change a popular article into something that will present as an evergreen blog article.